Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today I thought I would do close-up swatches of this self-made palette I've made. Initially I wanted to fill it all with GlamShop, but these here, these 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 are GlamShop, and then the rest are from the Colourpop tie-dye palettes. Right, so yeah, we're just going to do the swatches. So let's start off with the GlamShop ones, and no, what we'll do is we'll work our way from left to right like we always do. So the GlamShop ones are nice. I mean, look, you can see the flip, but they're not very pigmented. You can definitely see the flip though. I mean, that one's blue in the pan and has a green flip. That one doesn't have much of a flip, I don't think. But yeah, they're really, really nice. Then we're moving over to the Colourpop palettes. So we've got that really nice green matte there. These are from Aura now, these ones. That is absolutely stunning. That's really sheer but stunning. Do another swatch of that. Yeah, so it's been a busy day today, and it's still only morning already. This is my third video I've filmed, and I've not even done a get ready with me using my project pan items yet, which I need to do before I can do the project pan update. So I'll be doing that today, but probably a bit later on. I need to get the footage from these videos onto the computer and edit them down first. But yeah, that's the entire first row. So we're moving on to the second row now, again starting with GlamShop. And my skin gets drier up here, so the only way you can really see about these is obviously once they're on the eye, but you can definitely see the flip on both of those. At the end, when I've swatched everything, I'll turn the light down so you can see it better. Then we've got this one here. So this one's called Giggler. That's that one. That has really nice glitters in it. So it's a pink to blue duochrome, that one. Then we're going back into Colourpop. I think these ones are from, some of them are from Miss Bliss. See, they're all mixed up and I haven't put names on them, which I'm okay with. You know, I just wanted to get them in the palette. I can find out which palettes they're from without any trouble because I've still got the palettes. And I've put the glitters in a palette because I don't want to be using things on my face that you're not supposed to use. Right, that's a bit chalky. I don't know if I want to keep this one in there. But I don't have another purple shimmer, so we'll keep it in there for now. Then we've got this blue sequin shade. Then we're moving down to the third row. Again, GlamShop. So this orange is an orange to blue shift. Really, really pretty. But they're really sheer, so I don't know how they're going to play on the eye. If I don't like them on the eyes, I won't be keeping them. And then we've got this really nice orange to yellow one. That one is probably one of the most pigmented ones. Not going to have enough arm space. we'll do this row, and then the bottom row I'm probably going to have to turn the light down, show you what it looks like, and then wash it all off, and then we'll come back. This one is really soft. So this is Colourpop now. Nice peach. This one, these ones will be from Miss Bliss. And I think the pink ones are from Miss Bliss as well. And then the last blue one. Some of them just aren't the best formula, but on the eyes they probably work really, really well. Let's put the camera back a tiny bit. So that's all the swatches. We've still got to do this bottom row, and then we'll talk about the palette. Right, so these two, I know that these GlamShop ones are so pigmented. They're the most pigmented out of the entire pastels that I got. That one and those two down there. So no matter what, I'll probably keep them. Oh, that isn't that nice. It's on a black base. You can see that it's on a black base, and it's got like a green to black. You can definitely see the flip there, I feel like. Let me just keep my hand there. Right, so the next one. I mean, I've done a video on the shades, that's why I'm not really telling you what they are. I'll link it. The same with that, it's got like a green brown flip. Okay, so now we're moving on to Colourpop. For the most part, I like the palette. I like how I've done it. Some of the shimmers though have a lot to be desired for. Now when I told friends that I'd done this, they was actually quite surprised, I think, just because I always said I don't want to split my palettes up, but the palettes are still there, and obviously if I don't like the way this is looking, or I'm not getting a lot of use out of it, then I can put it all back. I'll just look online what goes where. So yeah, I can do that without any trouble. I just thought by putting them all together like this I'd get more use out of them, and it would fill a palette up as well, because I don't have any intentions on buying anything anytime soon. Right, so that's what the whole bottom row looks like. Turn the light down. Don't know if I did that for the first 3 rows, but it's absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think of this palette? Let me know in the comments down below. Everyone knows me at the moment for loving pastel. Now I was thinking about doing this before I got the Natasha Denona pastel palette, but then when Karen told me she was buying it me, I just thought I'm going to do it anyway, because I'm not going to use those 3 palettes, those 3 Colourpop palettes by themselves, and I just thought I'd get more inspiration for it being in this palette and like putting this colour story together. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on it. Let me know if you want me to create a look with it, and I'm more than happy to do that. So I'm going to leave this video here guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.